Total impulse till 7 second is 100 plus 20. This 100 corresponds to 5 second till 5 second, and 20 second during 5 second to 7 second. So using this, so we get V as 70 meter per second. Next we need to find average force during 0 to 5. So average force is impulse upon delta t. Impulse during 0 to 5 is 100, time is 5, so we get average force as 20 Newton. Next is average acceleration, so force is mass average acceleration. Using this we get average acceleration as 10 meter per second square. Then we need to find average force during 5 seconds to 7 seconds, so average force delta p by delta t. So during 5 to 7 change in momentum is 20, delta t is 2, so the average force comes out to be 10 Newton. Next is we need to find average acceleration during this, so force average is ma, so we get a as 5 meter per second square. Next is at what time total impulse is 0, so we consider that at t time impulse is 0, so this thing is gonna be t minus 7, so impulse is change in momentum, impulse is 0, so upper moment impulse will be positive, downward will be negative. And if it is 0, then we can say that upper momentum upper impulse is 120, lower is minus, so we have used minus sign over here, and it will make a triangle, the area being half into base into altitude. So using this we can say that y as a function of t is 10 into t minus 7. So using this we have 240 is equal to this gives t minus 7 whole square 24, which gives t minus 7 as root 24. So t is gonna be 7 plus root 24. Root 24 is approximately 4.9, so that gives t approximately as 11.9 second. Next question is force at t tending to infinity. As you can see on the graph that at t tends to infinity, force will tend to minus infinity, and force is mass into acceleration, so acceleration will also tend to minus infinity. So these videos are especially designed to develop your problem solving skills, and it includes multiple concepts, starting from very simple question and tending to very heavy questions. So these can be used for preparing physics for your school exams, for NEET and JEE Main especially. So I hope it will prove to be optimization tool for you. Thank you and have a nice day.